Hello, this is Nighttime Gaming back with another episode of Minecraft Survival. And I've actually upgraded the house I've got upstairs all filled out. But do I need I need one more glass. If you look, I've got the glass path and it's not that hard to do. All you do is take a shovel and oh man, those creeper. But it has to be grass, that's why that dirt isn't grass patch. I'm going to keep an eye on that creeper. And I don't know if I've shown you my skin yet. I've got since the last episode, so I'm going to show you now. I'm actually Festive Steve. Getting ready for Christmas. Got Christmas. And let's get my axe. Where is it? Do I not have an axe? I swore I did. Okay, well, this is basically the upstairs, and I used more of that fancy stuff. I was off by one, so I had to make 4 more. Got my bed. Okay, so I think we're gonna go kill that creeper, because these are the dudes I was talking about. They turn into skeleton horses. Rewind the video and see if they were other skeletons. Okay, you want to play like that? Come in. Yeah. No, not in the hole. Okay. I'm gonna check you up. What? What's that tons of that? It should be getting water. Just gonna break a little stream to here. Yeah, it should be getting water. But I've got this week. Man, I just I'll fix that off camera. That's what I usually do. Yo, hey Mr. Skeleton. The aimbot. Whew. This our tree farm is pretty good. Hey, that's pretty good. Yeah, I tried it out over here because I was collecting sand and my shovel accidentally hit these. So, then I found out. I thought you actually crafted them. I'm going to sleep. And if you guys want more videos of this, hit that like and subscribe button so you know when I make new videos. And please check out Death Wish 101 and Desmond Shaw. I would really appreciate it. Okay, so I'm just gonna deposit everything. Ooh, no, a fishing pole. Okay. And so all I have is my sword and my fishing rod. I may do some fishing. And it has changed over the years of Minecraft fishing. Now you actually have to wait for the fish to come. I'm going to show you real quick. Fish, where are you? How come now I can't do nothing? It doesn't matter. I'll try it more off cam. And yeah, but I did see some wheat. Oh, seeds? Weird. Supposed to give you seeds. Yeah, I basically just got a crap ton of bones from them skeletons, then the skeleton horses. Okay, so this was just an episode to show you what I did to the old house and all that. I'll make another video, I think today, if I have the time. Ooh, honey. Okay. So, is there anything new with the cave? I don't remember doing anything with the cave. Just gonna check. But while I'm checking, I'm gonna give a shout out to DeathWish101, like always, and Desmond Shah. Please go check out their YouTube channels. And I think I will see you in the next video. And I did nothing to the mine. I may add some stairs off cam so we're not constantly jumping. Well, that's all for this episode. See you there, recruits. Goodbye.